Well, it is the final day in July, and it has been certainly another warm month for the most part, but maybe not as warm as you think. Notice here, now this is officially at Bowling Green. We have had more days in Bowling Green below average than we have had with high temperatures above average. Now, having said that, the average high is 90 at Bowling Green. So even if it's 89, it still counts as below average. So this is a little bit skewed, but still, it hasn't been that bad, especially when you think about how warm it can be. Now, overall today, air quality across the tri-state, really not too bad. Just keep in mind, if you have some respiratory ailments, it is moderate today, but you should be okay if you have outdoor plans. Just keep yourself hydrated and stay in the air conditioning as much as possible with those heat advisories and those excessive heat warnings that are in effect. Could see a couple of afternoon or early evening showers and storms. There is the slight possibility that a thunderstorm complex could slide by just to our north and east and just barely clip areas in the 165 corridor. I think most of us will remain dry. As you see there, a lot of the activity well off toward the east, and many of us, especially the further west you go toward Kentucky Lake, may see abundant sunshine all day long, which will just make it feel even hotter and more oppressive out there. Notice the greatest risk for severe weather is back to our east, but still in that Bowling Green, Owensboro corridor here, we could see an isolated severe storm posing mainly a damaging wind threat, and they could also pose some intense lightning as well with any of those storms. So we're seeing stray PM storms, probably only about a 20 to 25% chance of getting a thunderstorm today, so mid-90s, a very hot and humid day, adding to that total of above average temperatures. For the most part, you see that normal high is 90 degrees. So for your ride home today, my goodness gracious, look at these heat indices flirting with 110 in many spots. Just absolutely oppressive outside. But at least we really only have one more hot month to go, and then things will start to cool off. So that is some good news. Lows tonight in the 70s, and here's a look at the extended forecast. Right now, it's looking like for Fancy Farm on Saturday, things look to be okay with a couple of thunderstorms around. After that, we dry out and stay warm.